Alright, today we're going to do section 4.5. It's called problem solving, account for all possibilities. The first example says a coin is tossed 3 times. What are the possible results, and how many times would you flip the coin to get all of the possible results? Okay, so here's what we're going to do, or how many possible results are there. Okay, because we know they flipped it 3 times. So the first time that they flip it, we have 2 possibilities. For the first time, we have 2 possibilities, heads and tails. Okay, the first time, if we're flipping a coin, it's going to land on either side. Okay, so the second time, it could be, again, heads or tails. And again, second time could be heads or tails. Okay, now the third time, sorry. And then the third time, again, it could be heads or tails, heads or tails, heads or tails, heads or tails. Okay, so now we have to make a list of what the possibilities could look like. Okay, so the first time I'm going to take the first route all the way up, which would be heads, heads, heads. Okay, second time I'm going to take heads. Oh, sorry. Oops. I don't want to confuse you. I'm going to take heads, heads, tails for my second time. Heads, heads, tails. Okay, and then for my third time, I'm going to take heads, tails, heads. Heads, tails, heads. Okay, and for my fourth time, I'm going to take that bottom row. Oh, come on. And I'm going to take heads, tails, tails. Okay, so I have to make sure I go through each and every one to make sure I get all the possible combinations. Okay, now I get to go down to tails because I've gotten all my top combinations. So this time I'm going to get tails, heads, heads. Then I'm going to get tails, heads, tails. Tails, heads, tails. And then I am going to get tails, tails, heads. And I have one more possibility, which is tails, tails, tails. Okay, so the question asks, what are the possible results? Here are our possible results right here. And it asks how many different results are there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 possible results. Okay, and this is what we're going to be doing a lot of for this section. You have to make a lot of trees to make sure you get every possible way that things could turn out. Okay, let's try another one on the next page. Okay. A sandwich shop serves turkey, ham, tuna, chicken, and egg sandwiches. You can have any sandwich using white, wheat, or rye bread. Suppose you eat there every day. For how many days can you order a sandwich that is different from any you have ordered before? Alright, so now I have to think. Okay, so there's 3 types of bread that I can eat. First one I'm going to type out is wheat. Okay, for wheat bread, I could eat turkey. I could eat ham. I could eat tuna. I could eat chicken. And I could eat egg salad. Okay, it is not important that I write out every single word, as long as I know that I'm keeping everything straight. Okay, so let's talk white bread. I could have turkey, ham, tuna, chicken, and egg salad. And for rye, I could have turkey, ham, tuna, chicken, and egg salad. All right, so let's count how many different possibilities I could have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I could go for 15 days eating at the same restaurant and not eat anything the same. Have something completely different every time. Again, you'll see I made these kind of these branch things. It's kind of like a picture that will help you picture how to solve your question. Okay, so let's try another one. Okay, you throw 3 darts at a dartboard. If each dart hits the board, what are the possible total points you can score? So here's what our dartboard looks like. In the middle, there is a 10. Okay, so if you get in the 10, you are in the middle, you get 10 points. Then there's an option to get 4 points if you hit it out here. And if you get it out on the outside, you would get 1 point. Okay, if each dart hits the board, what is the possible point totals you can score? Okay, so let's go with 10. If you get a 10 first, then you could also get a 4 or a 1. So I guess we don't need 3 lines. So it could be 10, 4, 1. Or I guess you could hit a 10 at 2. 10, 4, or a 1. Okay, hold on. This is like the dice one. This one was tricking me for a little bit. But this is like the dice one. Okay, so the first time I throw, I could get a 10, a 4, or a 1. Not the dice one, sorry, the heads or tails one. The second time I throw, I could get a 10, a 4, or a 1. 10, 4, 1, 10, 4, 1. Again, I could get 10, 4, 1, 10, 4, 1. Oh, this is getting so little. 10, 4, 1. Okay, on all of these, I need to write 10, 4, 1, 10, 4, 1. Oh no, I skipped my 1. My 1's down here. 10, 4, 1. Done these guys. 10, 4, 1. 10, 4, 1. 10, 4, 1. Okay, so now it kind of stinks because we have to go through and we have to count what are our top possible point totals. So I could get 10 plus 10 plus 10, which would be 30. That's a possibility. I could do 10 plus 10 plus 4, which would be 24. That would be a possibility. I could do, if you're confused where I'm looking, I'm just starting at the top. I did 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, 4. Then I could also get 10, 10, 1, which 10, 10, 1 is 21. Now let's go down. I could get 10, 4, 10, which is 24, so I don't have to write it down again. I could get 10, 4, 4, which would be 18. I could get 10, 4, 1, which would be 15. I could get 10, 1, 10, which would be 21. I already have that one. 10, 1, 4, which would be 15. I already have that one. 10, 1, 1, which would be 12. Okay, got that one. Let's see. 4, 10, 10. Have that one. 24. 4, 10, 4. 18. 4, 10, 1. 15. 4, 4, 10. 18. 4, 4, 4. 12. 4, 4, 1 would be 9. There we go. There's another one. 4, 4, 1 would be a 9 again. Sorry. Oh, I already did that one. Okay. Then I can go down. 4, 1, 1 to be 6. 4, 1, 10, 15. 4, 1, 4, 9. Okay, I got all that of those. 1, 10, 10, 21. 1, 10, 4, 15. 1, 10, 1, 12. I already have that. 1, 4, 10, 15. 1, 4, 4, 9. 1, 4, 1, 6. I already have that one. 1, 1, 10, 12. 1, 1, 4, 6. 1, 1, 1, 3. So our possible answers could be 30, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, and 3. So here's the deal, you guys. I need to make sure that you show your work. You need to make sure that you show your work because I've been getting a lot of homeworks back where you aren't showing your work. And I already went on a rant the last video, so I'm not going to do it again, but you absolutely must draw the tree. I don't want you just guessing, okay, well, I bet I can add 10, 10, 10, I can add 10, 4, 1. You're going to miss a combination if you don't draw out the tree, okay? And it's just kind of being lazy if you're not going to draw out the tree. So you must draw out the tree. So let's try. I think we could do one more. Now this is one I'm just going to read to you because this happens to be number 3 from your homework, which on page 199. Okay, number 3 says you have pepperoni, mushrooms, onions, and green peppers. How many different pizzas can you make using 1, 2, 3, or 4 of the toppings? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it like this. If I'm going to eat a pepperoni pizza, I can either have it by itself, I can have pepperoni and mushrooms, pepperoni and onions, or pepperoni and green peppers. Okay, so those are all my 2 topping pizzas. So that would pepperoni mushrooms would be an option, pepperoni onions, pepperoni green peppers. Then, okay, so now I already have pepperoni mushroom, pepperoni onion, pepperoni green pepper. So now I'm going to think of mushroom pizza. Okay, so, or I could just have regular old pepperoni. So mushroom pizza, I could have pepperoni, onions, green peppers. Okay, I already have pepperoni mushroom, so I'm not going to pick that one. Mushroom onion, nope, don't have that one yet. Mushroom onion, okay. Mushroom green peppers, nope. Mushroom green peppers. Okay, what about if I did green peppers? I could have pepperoni, onion, mushroom. I already have one with green peppers and mushrooms. Okay, so I don't need that one. Green peppers and onions? Nope. GPO. And green peppers and pepperoni I already have as well. Okay, so I think I got all of my 2-topping pizzas. Because if I do onions, then I would just have pepperoni. I'd already have onion and pepperoni. Pepperoni and mushroom, or onion and mushroom, I already have that. And onion and green peppers, I already have that. Okay, so I don't need to do onions, so I already have all of those on my list. Okay, now what about if we did 3 toppings? So for 3 toppings, all right, so now let's do 3 toppings. So if I have pepperoni, mushroom, pepperoni, mushroom, onion. So I can write that one down. Pepperoni, mushroom, onion. Pepperoni, mushroom. I mean, you wouldn't have pepperoni, mushroom, mushroom. That would be just silly. Pepperoni, mushroom, green peppers. Pepperoni, mushroom, green peppers. Okay, and that's all the options for the top one. Then I could have mushroom, pepperoni, onions, already have that. Mushroom, pepperoni, green peppers, already have that. Okay, so we got that up, those 2 options down. What about mushroom, onion, green pepper? Nope. Mushroom, onion, green pepper. That'd be kind of like a veggie pizza. Mushroom, onion, green pepper. Mushroom, onion, pepperoni. Nope, I already have that one. Okay, what about green pepper? Green pepper, onion, mushroom. Green pepper, onion, mushroom. Yep, I already have that one in the middle. Mushroom, green pepper, pepperoni. Mushroom, green pepper, pepperoni. I already have that one. Oh, I think we might have gotten them all. Because if there's 3 of them, pepperoni, mushroom, green pepper, then it would be one without pepperoni. What about one without mushroom? So then I would have pepperoni, green pepper, onion. One without green peppers would be pepperoni, onion, mushroom. Oop, I already have that one. Okay, so I got all my 3 ones. And for my 4-topping pizza, I'm only going to have one option because it has all of them. So I can write that option down. Pepperoni, onion, green pepper, mushroom. And I did not forget about my 1 ones. I've got pepperoni, mushroom, onion, green pepper. Okay, so let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 kinds of pizza that I can make with these 4 toppings using 1 topping, 2 toppings, 3 toppings, or 4 toppings. Alright, I think I'm going to call it quits for right now. If you have any difficulties, any problems, please come in and ask for help. Again, you might be pleasantly surprised when you go to do your homework because there might be some easy ones on there, hopefully, because we might have done them on the video. I'm going to put the quiz in here, and since I already did some from your homework, I'm not going to do problems after the quiz. So thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.